Hello one and everyone. So last time I have just demonstrated that how we can means I have just integrated the backend part, and I have shown you that how we will embed anything and how we will retrieve the things from the PDFs. Now what I will do, I just integrated all the API with the front end with the indexer. Means here we can just upload our PDFs or our documents, which will get split, means embedding, means the breaking of every text and saving it into the vector DB. As we know that the MongoDB and Postgres both provide us the vector storage. Okay, so on the basis of the MongoDB and Postgres, I can show you, demonstrate how can we embed, means upload the document. Like just I am right now uploading my resume. Okay, so as in document, if I search my resume, so here is my resume. Okay, I will provide the latest one. Okay, so I will start indexing. Then what it will do, it will just go in the backend and just embedding everything in our database. Okay, I will show you my database also, so don't worry, just wait and keep watching this. So right now this has added into the our Postgres. Now I will upload in the MongoDB. Okay, for MongoDB also I am just selecting the same PDF. Okay, the last one, and here we will start the indexing. So as we uploaded in MongoDB, then it reflect in our database. Okay, so here it is the collection. If I show you the reg data, and here is the embeddings, all the embeddings what we have. Okay, inside this, whatever the small letters have chunk na, right now, look from my resume, it is taking the small parts in text. Okay, so no need to worry. I just here the full stack developer na, right, AI integration. From here onwards means the 26 onwards and the 46, these are the some chunks it had made in our database. Similarly had made in the Postgres also. Now if I want to show you the demonstration in MongoDB, okay, just comes and select our document first. So document was Ayush Kumar. Okay, and what I will do here, just I ask here what are my skills, what is the skill of Ayush Kumar. Okay, so it will just provide me all my skills or all my, okay, just look, as I had mentioned in my resume, let me show you my resume also. Okay, so I think this was my resume. Okay, so just come to first our reg. Here the full stack merchant stack developer, React, Next.js, Node.js, MongoDB, comprehensive front-end, backend, and database. Okay, so I must have integrated in this in my resume. If I show you, here you can see that my name is Smart Full Stack Developer, Modern Stack AI Integration, and similarly you can find here also whatever the keywords is mentioned on this is providing from my resume only. Okay, so what next we will do, we will just you can also see here from where the resources. It's like if we have 1,000 pages, then it can denote the all the pages. Now I will move to the Postgres and I will show you that how can we extract data from here. Like I have chosen my resume. Okay, and now I will just ask him about my working experience. Okay, so give me the experience of Ayush Kumar. Okay, if I mention it, then it will just give me all the experience, all my past works which I have done in the different companies and all. It will just provide me all my information. Just wait for few seconds. Okay, right now here is the, okay, like my working experience is working at Adan. Okay, and what I have contributed in them. Okay, everything is here. And if I make you surprise one thing, that whatever I am using inside this, I am using completely free. Like for the embedding model, I have just integrated that the Hugging Face model. And if I tell you the Hugging Face model, this Hugging Face model is BAAI, BGE, and large ENG. Okay, this is means that we are using the transformer, sentence transformer, convert that all the text into the vector forms. Okay, and next what I have used here, the MongoDB and the Postgres. they are also providing us the storage of vector, means the vector sets they are providing us. Whatever the text we query, they convert into the vector and then matches that to vector form. Means that array means the converting of 0 or 1 form in from matching from our source. Okay, and that the source means that the array which has collected the chunks of numbers, and then they search from them and then retrieve to us. And after that there was a layer of Gemini. Okay, Gemini, it is also providing us a free API key. Okay, so this is also cost me nothing, and for the front end I just deployed it on to the Netlify, which is also free of cost. Okay, means the for a small application it is enough to deploy. Okay, and for front end React obviously. Okay, and for the back end I just use the um, Python and the fast API, and along with that the small models which is from the Hugging Face and all the libraries. Okay, and if I tell you the libraries, okay, the main is the LangChain. Okay, and the flag embedding, or you can say that sentence transform. Okay, and the for this were the major library which is using helping us to creating the metadata and everything of that documents. Okay, so if you like this video and if you want this rag for personal use or keeping the security purpose into your laptop, just comment me below. I will provide you every source code and I will help you to set up this into your system also, just for paying the minimal charges of my experience and my the time that I will spend with you. Okay, so thank you so much. If you like, then please like my video. Okay, thank you so much.